Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. For this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to unsubscribe email in Gmail. For that, first of all, open your Gmail account on your mobile. You need to get logged into your account at first. Once you've done that, you need to choose the mail that you want to unsubscribe. For that, I'm going to choose a certain mail from my mailbox. I'm going to choose Pinterest mail. Now I need to unsubscribe this Pinterest mail. For you to do that, tap on the three dotted lines on the top right corner. Then if you check carefully, you will see the option of unsubscribe. You tap on there. Once you tap on unsubscribe, Pinterest will stop sending you messages. Tap on unsubscribe. Now you can see the unsubscribed has been done. You will no longer be getting any mails regarding Pinterest to your inbox. This is one way of how you can unsubscribe from the Gmail. And there's another method for unsubscribing the mails. For certain emails, you will not see unsubscribe. I will show you some other example of how you can do this. I'm going to open a mail. Now I'm going to repeat the same process, that is tapping on the three dotted lines. There you can see there's no option available of unsubscribe. So to unsubscribe from this mail from Fiverr, you need to scroll down to the very end and you need to check for the details available in the mail. There you will be given a link or a sentence where you will be able to click and unsubscribe from the account. There you can see here on the very bottom, if you wish to unsubscribe from all future emails, please click here. So you just need to click on here. This will direct you to the another page, and with that you will be unsubscribed from the mail easily. This is the another way of how you can unsubscribe from the mails. Hope this two method was useful for you to unsubscribe from the unwanted mails in your inbox. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification. Thank you.